everybody, welcome back to Lulu Gaming, and today we are in Meep City, as you can see, with little Fluffy here. Yes, ish today, and we are going to go and decorate my house. Might get it bigger. I'm just saying, might get it a little bit bigger because small house. See, so I got kitchen. Got the microwave, got my placemat, I got Fluffy's thing. And this is my room and her room. We got a little bed here. She got a bed here. She got a little playhouse. This is my bed, little lamp. And we got some box, three little plates, and a locker. And back over here, we got the bathroom. And here we got the living room, we got the couch, and we got the Nyan Cat TV, of course. We got the carpet, we got all my posters. There's Yammy, Dollastic, Radio Jakes, Chat Gamer, and Dan TDM. Even though I don't watch them, I just got a YouTuber poster. It seems fun, because I am a YouTuber myself. Been watching my videos for like ever. Well, all my videos. Don't forget to hit the smash that up button and the subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Smash it as hard as you can. Even if it breaks, just smash it so you can get notified when I make. Okay. And as you can know, I'm a new YouTuber. And I'm only 7. So, I might not do well. But, please like this video. I might not be a professional YouTuber yet. So, we are going to go to the shop. Let's go to the shop. Let's collect some of our back. Let's go and collect some of our flower monies for money shopping. Ooh, I'm not doing that. What? Fluffy's on my shoulder. Woo! There I go. Whoa, amazing, isn't that? Now look it, I'm not here. Papa. Here I am. Okay, for real. We need to get some stuff. So let's go to the furniture shop. god, there's so many stuff I want in this. Gosh. This is so cool. I'm just saying. Okay, let's buy some feather stuff. Let's see. There's let's buy this purchase chair. PC. Like that. Meep, baby. Oh, I don't know. Can't buy that. Place meat from the hospital inside your crib to eat for yourself. Oh. So, back over here. Ooh, can I see you, Evie? Okay, I guess not. So there was something new in Meep City last time I played, or did I ever play? So, there's like schoolhouse thing. Good. Take it out. Cast away to the world, today. My case to vista. Yeah, my oh no, 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 no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, gonna cast ahoy. Cast it on wooden plank. So now let's leave the cast area. So we only have 65 coins. So I'm gonna get myself and stress up. So I'm gonna take away this hair. Take off my creepy little feature. I really like it. If Evie, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I just don't like it. But I do like this face. Actually I like this face. Yes. We are going to dress up as Dollastic today. Dollastic, my keeper. Anything that's like yellow video. Oh, there it is. This is her little hoodie. Let's see. We need just like black pants. Okay. Now let's see how I look. Oh, I forgot the hair. Okay. She has some very nice hair. Let's show you. Hair. Under here. Under there. Under here. Okay. Cancel. Ooh, 50 coins. Cancel. teleport to my house. I'm teleporting. Teleporting. I'm teleporting in my house. Oh my crap. Yeah. Like the show like this? Okay, sorry, I just no. Okay, so it starts there. I had to step over things. The 2-minute button. The little sister over there was there. So let's move the desk, PC desk. Over. I really actually don't have room for it. Yep. It's right here. Now, let's get my oven. Put it in the kitchen. Buttercup, make them move. Buttercup, da-da-doo. You're just too much for me. Ooh, baby girl, you're way too much. Baby girl, ooh, it's too much for me, much for me. I don't know why, but baby girl, you're my only hope. 'Cause baby girl, yeah.